Oh, we've got boarding going on. Cat is flying away. £21 in the balance. What case shall I do?
I don't know, I already know what the title's going to be. Autistic person wastes life savings and trades his fucking AK just to gamble.
Gambling is not
Don't gamble, kids.
dedication
Yeah.
to getting a knife.
There must be some dedication if you're willing to trade your fucking AK skin off
Only an
just to
AK
gamble.
skin. Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
one that's hard to get.
Not that hard. Only an Asimov.
You're gonna lose it all.
Really not. I'm gonna put a turbo in there. Yeah.
Oh shit.
9.42. £12.60 left. Can't be bothered. I just need the fucking range up. Next case. First case. That'll be you.
Shut up.
Need to pipe down.
Shut up.
Pipe down.
You're not gonna win. You'll never win.
Always. Full of fucking rain, please. Ah. Especially on this. Oh, no one's playing. Oh wait, never mind. Both.
What the fuck?
What?
Ah, you still lost profit there. Oh, bozo.
Oh well. Oh,
I don't want the strong box. Fuck you.
much money.
I want the goddamn loot.
Two bots. Make some profit. Can't remember what case. Need the whiteout USP 0.0. Oh! Oh.
Top 10 saddest moments. You lose all your money.
Four bots. No, three bots. Or at least make something. Been fun.
Oh shit! Probably shouldn't have wasted that. I'm being chased.
4 AK. Turned into dust. Not good. But absolutely nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing. Alright, cool, we got a fucking hand. What? Alright.
Oh.
I lost so much money.
I tell you not to do it.
Yeah, well, I don't listen to
You should have.
you. No. Why should I listen to you?
What am I miss? I'm missing something. Oh dear.
Hmm. Gone all in. Bad modes.
The what?
You need to pull something. Anything. Literally anything. Anything that needs to make profit.
I'm just going to have their defense reduced. Cool. You're not gonna make profit.
I
I'm
need
gonna
some
laugh.
shit. Shit.
I'm gonna
Get a
laugh.
star. I need a star on this one. Really need a star on this.
Oh, why?
Shit!
Oh,
Oh, I lost half of it. It's probably gonna be the last battle. 565. Not good. Really not. Wild.
you're gonna lose all your money.
Oh well.
Money's gone.
Only a bit of money in that. The end of the world. I can make always. Oh please. Also, I want a star. Mm. Last. Uh, it
Ow.
totally profit. 236. Oh, let's
Ow.
Okay, I'm calling about. I'm a whopping 20 something points to
Fuck all nothing.
0.03. Oh
You're
shit,
dumb.
man. Why'd they pull that for? Please pull a rain thing. No, I've lost. Let's go! Let's go! What? This one. Well, I'm green.
You just put all on.
What is
You
0.03?
You poor soul.
Put it on green, hope it hits.
You're not gonna get green.
That's who?
Says me. Watch, no green. It's gonna be a chicken.
That's a crazy
not.
chicken right there.
I know, right?
Alright. Lost it.